Amy Brennan and I'm a final year medical student in University College Cork. I spent 6 months working on the front line in the emergency department of Cork University Hospital during the COVID-19 pandemic. When I first started, we were waiting for the worst to come. We would spend the day setting up the emergency department and I'd go home in the evening and watch the horrific scenes coming from Italy, France and Spain. As the weeks went on, I began working in the triage area of the emergency department. In many cases, I was the first point of contact for patients presenting to the hospital with COVID. People were absolutely terrified when they arrived at the front door. All they knew of the virus was what they had seen on the TV. It's a truly terrifying thing to see someone presenting with respiratory distress. But what I found so much more frightening was the fact that people were coming in who were previously healthy and well, people who were my parents' age or younger. These lockdowns have been difficult for everyone. I know myself, I just want to get back to spending time with my friends and family, but it's so important that we stick to the national guidelines. The numbers of cases that we've seen in the last month are far, far greater than the initial surge last year. There are fantastic teams of doctors, nurses, healthcare assistants, porters, radiographers inside in the hospital who are working their hardest day in, day out. By sticking to the HSE guidelines of social distancing, hand washing and facial coverings, we can all do our little bit to prevent the spread of the virus. If you find you need a little bit of extra support over the coming weeks and months, UCC has fantastic resources in place for students, such as the crisis text line, student counselling and student help.